Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. South Korean giant company Samsung is gearing up for the next generation Galaxy S flagships, developing the most anticipated upgrades that were not used in its entire flagship timeline. According to the latest available data, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will get thinner bezels, a bigger screen without growing in size, a new powerful chipset, an improved camera setup, and much more. Let's dive into the video for fresh details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's next Galaxy S flagship, the S26 Ultra, is already drawing attention months ahead of its anticipated debut, with fresh leaks hinting at notable upgraded features, particularly in the display department. Building on the enhancements seen in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which launched earlier this year, the upcoming model is rumored to push screen boundaries even further. According to renowned tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature a 6.89-inch display, a modest yet meaningful increase from the 6.86-inch panel found on the current Galaxy S25 Ultra. Interestingly, despite the bump in display size, the device's body is expected to retain its 77.6mm width. This suggests that Samsung may be shaving down the bezels further, potentially offering a more immersive viewing experience. The tipster estimates that the bezels on the S26 Ultra could measure just 1.15mm, compared to the 1.2mm bezels on its predecessor, making it among the slimmest in the Galaxy S series lineup to date. Beyond display enhancements, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to come with significant camera and performance upgrades. Previous reports indicate that Samsung might switch to a new 200-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor, sized at 1 by 1.1 inches, for the main camera. This would replace the 1 by 1.3-inch sensor used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, marking a possible departure from Samsung's in-house sensor technology. The camera setup is also tipped to include an upgraded laser autofocus module, potentially improving focus accuracy, and working in tandem with the next-gen ProVisual engine for enhanced image processing. Under the hood, the handset is likely to be powered by a custom Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. It is also expected to carry an IP68 rating, offering resistance to water and dust. While Samsung has yet to officially confirm any details, the leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a refined flagship, with iterative yet impactful improvements in display, camera technology, and processing power. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 lineup will launch early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.